Hi everyone, welcome back to Fast Scratch with Python. This is Ali from MediaWeb. Today there is no explanations, not any single one, only games. And let's get started with the games. First, our first game will be called Score Checker. Okay, so let's start. We're going to take the score, of course, the score variable. We're going to take its value from an input from the user. But the score is a number. So we're going to write int, open bracket, input, open bracket, enter your score. Then we need to check this score. If your score bigger than or equal to 100, we put a colon here, then we need to print, for example, what can we print here? You are a legend player. Okay, let's write it like this. We can put also some emojis. We can use any kind of emojis we want. It's up to you to use your emojis or use the text inside the print. Here I think, I don't know what to decide, but we can put something like a cup, right? Or we can put this crown. It looks great. Okay, in the next line we're going to write else colon enter. We don't write anything beside else. Else mean anything else which will be less than 100. We're going to print try again. We can write another print inside else actually. Print you can do it, like as a motivation for the next phase. So let's try it once. It will be 100. You're a legend player. What if it's bigger than 100, like 120? You are still a legend player. But if you got like 5, try again. But you can do it. That's it. That's our first game for today. And you did a great job on this game so far. Keep up with me and we're gonna go to our next one. The password check. Everything today is about check, right? Let's move on to the password check. We're going to take the password as an input, but we don't need the int function here because password is a text. Okay, not only numbers, there can be text as well, letters, special characters. So it's basically a text. Enter your password. Then if password equal open double quotation Python. Okay, that's how we're going to compare the variable password with the Python text or the value, the string value. Put a colon. Then we're going to print access granted. Okay, then we can say else. If you wrote any other password, we can say access denied. I think that's great. Let's run this code to check it out. Let's write here score 0 and the password, let's write Python access granted. Let's write something else like the same score, but in password let's write, for example, uh, blah blah blah, like any random text. Access denied. That's what we want. Okay, we can do something way cooler than what we're doing here. We need to put this part of the code inside this code. How we can do it? Let's select it all, press Ctrl X to cut it, then inside access granted, if only your access granted, we're going to say welcome to the program and Ctrl V. Okay, so let's run this code again. He's going to ask first about the password. If I write anything, press enter, access denied, and that's it. But if I run the code and I wrote here Python, press enter, access granted, welcome to the program, enter your score. See, you're like using logic, you're building logic that is used in real apps. Enter your score. If I wrote 100, he's gonna tell you you are a legend player. And that's it. See, it's very easy. Even here in else, you can write print try again. So if you enter the password at first wrong, it's gonna tell you access denied, try again. Like, let's say anything, access denied, try again. That's how it works. That's how we're going to work from now on, and it's going to be pretty fun. Okay, that's all for today. Okay, I don't want to create any other projects. I want to jump into new ideas and new topics so we can create bigger projects all at once. And that's it. In the next video, we're going to talk about something like unpredictable. I don't know what to say about the next topic, but it will be pretty interesting. And thank you for following our videos on MediaWeb. See you in the next one.